stop guessing what's wrong with your channel, because YouTube just released a new AI tool that can tell you what is wrong with your channel. So no need of guessing, what am I doing wrong, why am I getting low views, video ideas and all of that. I know we have ChatGPT, which is great, but this tool that they just introduced would actually analyze your channel. I mean, it's different because it knows your channel. It's built in the YouTube desktop. So when you go to YouTube desktop, you will see the star of the moment. So yes, that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video about YouTube. If you are a small creator, you're just starting YouTube today, or you're intending to start YouTube, this is the best time to start, because this new AI tool called Ask Future is likely gonna change everything. I believe it to be a game changer, because I have tried to use it, and I mean, in fact, let's just go straight into the screen recording. I'm going to be asking Ask Studio some questions, and let's see how it would respond. So let's go straight into the screen recording. If you're just joining me, my name is Juanita, and welcome to Juanita's Create. So I'm going to be showing you how to, I'm starting the screen recording. I'll go straight to my browser, continue to up here, So after you will see, the first thing you see is the search button, right? And after the search button, you will see the star, the star. That's where the Ask Studio is. I'm just going to click on it, and it's yeah, hello Wales World, how can I help you? Okay. I'll just go ahead and ask it. There are options. You see, okay, there are options. It's saying, how can Ask Studio help you? Summarize comments, suggest new videos, summarize my channel performance, and you can just ask it anything. So I'm going to ask it. I noticed. So I noticed I'll be getting low views, and I want video ideas. Yeah. So let's see. Is looking at what comments across your channel, analyzing your channel. So that's a beautiful thing. ChatGPT cannot do this. ChatGPT cannot analyze. ChatGPT cannot analyze your channel. It has a limit. It can do a lot. I like ChatGPT, but this is the bomb. This is a game changer for real. Okay, so let's see what it says. It says, I have taken a look at your recent channel performance for Wales World, and I have some insights and ideas to help you get views back up. It says your channel health shows some negative trends over the last 90 days, with views minus 31%, new viewers minus 37, and returning viewers minus 19. All seeing a decline compared to the previous period. Here is what the data suggests is happening and how to turn things around. Interesting. Publishing consistently. I know I've not been consistent. I know I just go in and out. Yeah, so it says your publishing schedule has been a bit inconsistent lately. YouTube recommendation system often favors channel. Hear that, favors channel. So that means consistency is really a thing on YouTube, because I've seen some people say, oh, you don't have to be consistent. I've seen other people say it's good to be consistent. So it's really a thing. If the assistant is telling me, for me to get views and to grow properly, I need to be consistent. Let's go ahead. So it says YouTube recommendation system often favors channels that provide a steady stream of content for viewers to return to. So it says Audi, what's new content? This is clearly your strongest formats. What's new at Audi this week? Best Audi finds you need to see in April, and blah blah blah. It's giving me some ideas, and that says are your top performer. However, the CTR on some of the videos, ranging from 2 to 5%, suggests there is room to make your thumbnail even more clickable with clearer text or more vibrant. So it's giving me formats. It says your unboxing video, unboxing Nigerian food stuff all the way from Nigeria to America, is telling me that my friend, okay, the one I did that my friend spoiled me, that I received a lot of warm engagement comments. Why might not get as many search views as an Audi haul? It builds a very strong connection with your community. So that's the thing. So the one I did unboxing my Nigerian, full stop, my friend, go for me, I got a lot of response and I built connection. Versus the Audi, I don't show my face. People really want to see my face. I've been seeing people's comment about showing your face more often and all of that, right? So now it says audience request. I noticed several comments specifically asking for TJ Maxx video and ogbono recipe. So they want me to start cooking. They want ogbono recipe. Tapping into these specific requests is a great way to re-engage your core fans. Okay, now it's coming to recommendation to increase view. It said I should re-establish a schedule. So try to pick 1 or 2 specific days. So guys, it works, man. That's what I should do. This is a very honest, brutal, fantastic, amazing feedback. So it wants me to pick a day. Say try to pick 1 or 2 specific days a week for your Audi updates, so your viewers know exactly when to tune in. And it says optimize thumbnail for your shop with me videos. Try using high contrast close-ups of the single most wow items you found rather than a collage. Yeah, okay, thank you. So it's really giving me ideas. Then it's telling me fresh ideas for wheels. So based on your audience interest and your successful content, here are some new ideas. How do these ideas sound to you? I did love to help you develop the ogbono recipe. It's giving me idea. He actually wants to script. So this Act Studio is is really a growth assistant, because he wants to give me a script, because it's asking me ogbono recipe idea or maybe specific TJ Maxx plan. Since your viewers are so eager for those, which one do you want? Okay, so yeah, so this is absolutely beautiful. This is actually, so you can also ask it to summarize your comments, summarize your channel performance, and all of that. So let me see. It's analyzing my channel performance. So now at least I know what to focus on, So I say for the last 28 days has been a bit of a cooling period across your main metrics compared to the previous 28 days. While views are down, your click-through rate has actually seen a slight improvement. The views are down, but people are clicking. So it's YouTube. They're the ones that are not pushing it, They are not pushing it because it's saying that the click-through rate is good, But yeah, while views are down, your click-through rate has actually seen a slight improvement, which is a positive sign for your current packaging. Here is a summary of your performance from March 29 to April 25th. You see? Yeah. It says, so you see the reach gap. He said the primary driver for the lower views is a drop in impression. I just said it. You see, Wheels. I just said it. I said it. They are not showing people. It's a drop impression drop by 37%. It's natural to see a corresponding dip in views. Yeah, so of course, if YouTube don't show your video, if that's why I said no, if you want to know your YouTube is growing, just check your analytics and check the impression. I have emphasis on impression, because that's how you even know if they are showing. Because if YouTube show people, that means you know that okay, they are showing people, perhaps they are not clicking, and then you know that okay, let me work on my title, thumbnail, and all of that. But if they are not showing people at all, that's crazy. That one is not good at all. So this one now, they are not showing people. That's what it's saying. It's low. It has gone down by 37%. So you see. So I think it has nothing to do with my thumbnail. I can improve on my thumbnail, yeah, but I feel that it's even telling me they're not showing it again. So it's natural to see a corresponding dip in views, because they are not showing as much as they should. Then packaging is resilient. Despite fewer people seeing your video, your CTR increased to 4.8%. This means that when your content does reach an audience, they are clicking at a higher rate than before. You see, they are clicking at a higher rate than before. It's just that the impression is the problem. Yeah, I already know. because when I check my impression, it's really low compared to, you know, they are clicking at a higher rate than before. Your thumbnail and titles for the recent audio content are resonating well, you know. So then subscriber retention, you had a net loss of 2 subscribers this month. This often happens during periods of lower upload frequency or when a channel is transition between content and topic. Okay, to get back on an upward trend, the focus should be on increasing those impressions, re-establishing a consistent upload rhythm. Like, you know, your popular Audi weekly video is usually the fastest way to signal to the algorithm to start pushing your content. So yes, that's it. I've gotten all I want. That's it. I've gotten what I I've gotten what I want. To see how fantastic this is indeed a growth assistant, because you can't be confused anymore. You cannot say, oh, I don't know what to post. Oh, what is happening in my channel? Oh, for those of you that cannot read analytics as much, you will just go to your Ask Studio and ask it questions. It can give you video idea. It's beautiful, you know. So I would definitely be doing, you know, few things. Yeah, suggested. Get back to my, because 2025 I had a schedule, to be honest. I was uploading twice a week, but this year it's been scattered. I upload once in 2 weeks, sometimes Saturday, you know, for that's whole my other channel was what. So guys, this is good news for all of us small YouTubers, beginner YouTubers, and you know, great news. We can ask Studio any question we want. I've come to the end of the video, guys. If you see my face for the first time, I am, you know, stumbling on this channel for the first time, do well to like, comment, and let's grow together. YouTube is a beautiful place. Let's connect the right way and keep growing. And guys, remember, in all you do, keep growing. Bye for now. Adios.